Welcome to Tech Mastery. In the Tech Mastery, we will also discuss about mastering Pro Tools, recording and editing audio. Audio Pro Tools is the industry standard in professional recording facilities around the world. It was one of the first digital audio workstations to convince engineers to shift their workflow to computer. But Pro Tools is popular for emerging producers too. So what exactly makes this classic recording software so well liked? What are its most important factors, and how can you decide if it's for you? If you're just getting started with music production, it can be difficult to get a clear picture. Pro Tools Basics. Pro Tools is a DAW that can track its roots back to the first area of digital recording technology, originally developed by Digitizine. The modern day recording and mixing environment began as a limited audio editing and recording program called Sounds Tools in 1989. As computer technology improved, Pro Tools emerged as the first choice of professional studios. By the early 2000s, it was widely adopted by the industry in the majority of commercial facilities. The original Pro Tools released on companions DSP hardware to work. These are special computer chips designed specifically to handle audio tracks. DSP was necessary at the time since ordinary computer called situation strain and the high track counter needed for professional workflow. Pro Tools is a DAW that can trace its roots back to the first area of digital recording technology. Systems like this area still available, but DSP hardware is no longer required to run all versions of the software. This means it's less expensive than offer for emerging producers to start using Pro Tools. Than ever for emergency producer to start using Pro Tools. However, Pro Tools lines on the iLok standard of license management. That means you will need hardware iLok to on hand whenever you plan to use it. Some users might be put off by this requirement. Next, today, Pro Tools comes in a variety of editions that cater to every skills levels, despite maintaining its pro factors. In a nutshell, Pro Tools is probably right for you if you regard traditional musicians and instruments parts on a linear timeline. You need the fittest and the most flexible audio editing workflow available. You need a no compromise mixing environment. You eventually like to work as professional engineers in a commercial studio. Why is Pro Tools are popular? As mentioned above, Pro Tools was among the first to gain traction in the commercial studio industry that give it big advantages. The workade, since most professional engineers know as prefers its workflow, but Pro Tool has a number of qualities that make it a great choice for producer with particular need. Audio editing, first of all, those pointers. Point that basics of non-destructures audio editing its early days. It's still one of the best platforms in this circus area, thanks to factors like Beat Detective and Elastic Audio.